Our first exercise is a standing biceps curls. This exercise strengthens the front of your upper arms, the muscles you use when you lift grocery bags, carry heavier items, or pull something toward your body. Building these muscles makes everyday lifting feel easier and safer. To do a standing bicep curl, stand tall with your feet about hip width apart and soften your knees so they're not locked. Let your arms hang naturally by your sides, holding your dumbbells with your palms facing forward. Keep your elbows tucked gently into your ribs. Relax your shoulders and open your chest. Now take a slow breath in. As you breathe out, bend your elbows and bring the dumbbells up toward your shoulders. Move slowly and smoothly, like a 4-count lift. Pause for a brief moment at the top, then lower the weights back down with control, taking your time. Only your forearms should move. Your upper arms stay close to your sides, and your body stays steady. Keep breathing as you move and repeat at a comfortable pace. You should feel the front of your upper arms working, while your shoulders, neck, and lower back stay relaxed. Now, a quick moment for safety. If your shoulders feel tense, keep your elbows snug against your ribs so your shoulders don't take over. If gripping the dumbbells feels uncomfortable, switch to lighter weights or skip the weights completely. The motion alone still helps. If you have lower back sensitivity, keep a soft bend in your knees and avoid leaning backward as you lift. Always choose the version that feels steady and pain-free. A few common mistakes to watch out for. Try not to swing the weights or use momentum. Avoid leaning back as the dumbbells come up. Keep your elbows from drifting forward and avoid gripping the weights too tightly. If you need a gentler option, you can curl one arm at a time, or do the movement without weights and focus on the muscle squeeze. If you want to make it more challenging, pause halfway up for a second before lifting all the way, or curl both dumbbells up and lower one arm at a time. When you're ready, bring your arms back down and let your shoulders relax. Take a slow breath in and out. You're doing great. This simple move really builds strength that helps you in everyday life, so be proud of the work you're putting in. Start your bicep curls now and keep going for 40 seconds. Thank you for moving with me today. Subscribe to Guided Fitness for all abilities. Remember, every movement counts, and honoring your body is always enough. This channel is dedicated to creating accessible, low-impact workouts for midlife women who want to feel stronger, healthier, and more confident in their bodies. Every workout is designed to be easy to follow, with audio descriptions for women with low vision, clear visuals, and captions for those who are deaf or hard of hearing, and gentle, joint-friendly movements for real bodies and real life. Fitness should feel inclusive, safe, and empowering, never intimidating. If you're looking for workouts that meet you where you are, this is your space.